Well, today's the day. Beautiful, sunny, blue skies. With the range is hammer time. Or I should say, as you can see, it's a gorgeous day in the desert. Wonderful. So, down to business, as they say. We're going to be breaking out the new little addition to the family and see how she does. Excited, given the unique look of the muzzle brake, that I would actually name this one. I've never named any of my rifles, but I'm going to call this one Skywalker. The Star-like, or I should say the Star Wars-like brake. And we shall commence with the festivities. Alright, so first thing on the list is going to be checking the dwell time and bolt lock back. Make sure the gas system is set properly. For that we will start off with one round in the mag, which locks back the bolt. And then from there we'll go to a couple of rounds, make sure the bolt continues to lock back. And we'll see keep an eye out for the trajectory of the spent gas and make sure that it travels in the right direction, usually between a 3 o'clock and 5 o'clock ejection. One round, testing for gas ejection, trajectory. Nothing was on semi.
No problem.
Bolt is locked back.
Your first one is roll and to the right about 4 o'clock. And then this one to the right.
Alright, so now we will be doing 2 rounds, checking for bolt lock back. Bolt is locked back. Well, I guess there's no time like the present to test the binary trigger.
You're better than I am.
I'm only one. Okay, now.
We are in semi.
I'll see you. I'm here. I've got a dental appointment. Where you going early? I've got a dental appointment at 3:15.
I have switched to binary. These are some of my tracer round loads might be getting some issues with the powder that I'm using with respect to the system I'm running today as far as finalized gas system setup. That needs to be looked into. Alright, let's go Brian here.
Pull that magazine out, and it's
Well, they do empty clips pretty quick anyway. It's still a lot of fun. This, ten rounds. What was that? Probably about a second. It's shits and giggles time, people. Heading home from the range. Gorgeous day out here. I mean, you can kind of get a glimpse of my hands don't start shaking, but it is beautiful, beautiful country out here. Great day to do a little shooting in the sun.